Today I'm out at the Freestyle Music Park for a drift event from the organization Catch My Drift. So a bunch of cool cars. Of course I'm here with Stacy. He's changing tires. He showed up on dead tires. He didn't even change them before getting here. I've got my bright orange high visibility media vest because I'm not driving today. I'm just shooting a bunch of video. Hi Victoria! I love this car. This sweet reverse hatch thing. I don't know about the exhaust.
Yeah, I got the PBMs and then I got the tow control and then I'm doing the weird performance pro release.
So this car's neat. So it's an S13 with a 240Z like front headlights, S130 or whatever that the chassis code is. And of course an LS, and that's the ECU right there. There's a bunch of 350Zs. This is his first time drifting. He's done drag racing or something before, so decided to come out and give drifting a try. Of course, we got the Silver Dragon Racing crew.
What's up?
What's going on, man? How you been?
Good, man. How about yourself?
Just another day. Trying to get by.
You know, that glove up there is for you.
Right. Moving on.
And then I was like, you know what? Turn it down.
These are becoming pretty typical now, IS300s. This car has an RB in it. Man, that handbrake is ginormous. This car's got a neat color to it. FC, RX-7, 2 more IS300s. Ooh, this is neat. Z4. Rear mount radiator. Dang, that's tight. That's cool.
Two really clear calipers.
This is really cool. Cool car, man. This week was also the unofficial Mustang week. Because of COVID kind of stuff, they didn't really have an official Mustang. But a bunch of Mustangs showed up to hang out at the drift event. Chevrolet GT500. Just a regular 5-liter Mustang. 5-liter Mustang. GT350. That's cool. I don't know much about Mustangs, but they're pretty neat. Looks like that one's on airbags. Fox body. That's really nice. Oh, this is a really nice Mustang too. Another Fox body. I don't know what they call this, notchback or coupe or whatever. I don't know. But that's pretty cool. Really clean. Well, this is neat. Let's see if you can see that. Dang. Cool. Some crazy angle stuff. Check out a turbo Miata. So he drove up at an event in Piedmont, which is in North Carolina, crashed it on one night, went home, tubed it, and came back out and drove the next day. Awesome. So it's pretty basic turbo setup. Nissan turbo, stock engine. And dude, he's killing it today. He's got notched upper control arm for a little more clearance. His lowers are extended like an inch, and then he's got modified knuckles. Cool. boiling. Had a little accident. I'm gonna grab the side skirt there, Larry. Did he do that, or was it like that already? Dang. Took the fence out and everything. Oof. Oof. Took the fence out there too. Those are real work wheels. He exploded an XD9. All right, more pit walk. Sweet 2JZ Turbo GS300. I love this. Perfect two-tone color. Mustang. Oh look, a C8 Corvette. C8? Right? I don't know. Brand new. Mid-engine Corvette. Cool. Now this is why I wanted to walk over here. Sweet Honda turboed. Good exit exhaust. All the spiky stuff. But right-hand drive. That's cool. Drive Integra. America's favorite pastime. Burnouts. Of course, I missed the video of Stacy doing a burnout, but he was third gear, standing burnout. Definitely put out the most smoke. I mean, look at that tire on his car. The tire, the rubber behind that he left behind was actually on fire after his burnout. It was pretty sweet. Rolling 4 deep in an IS300. Yeah. Bruised up from gripping this chair back here.
I'm gripping it so hard. Let me pick up my other wheel. It's so weird. What a feeling.
All right, we're in that turbo Miata I showed you earlier. We're gonna go do some rides here.
I think you were right about the exhaust leak.
350Z. And his Turbo KA S12. Yeah. We didn't mean to catch up to the Miata. Yo, dude, we didn't mean to catch up to you like that.
Bro, it's okay. I'm on 14s that are dead.
Yeah. Well, as soon as we were reeling you in, I was like, oh, careful, careful, careful. Yeah. We're getting close.
And that thing's loud. I just heard like the turbo noises coming on me. And I was like, yeah, that's a little intimidating.
Yeah, with no hood and he's straight pipe, the thing is just stupid loud.
That thing's fast though.
Yeah, dude. When he was reeling in, I was like, well, that's weird because I know he's pretty fast too. And coming in and seeing this, that makes sense. All right, so I didn't walk over this car before, but this is like one of my favorite cars. Super clean. Every time I look at it, I think it's gonna have the super clean SR, but it has a V8. You want to pop the hood for me?
For you. Only for you.
All right.
I know it's not Japanese.
This just has such a like I don't think I've ever seen that front bumper.
Green.
Yeah.
The instant gentleman.
Look at that.
I like taking it to beats. I like driving it when I want to, and occasional hoodlum stuff.
So LS
5.3.
Okay, so 5.3.
Not even out.
Oh.
5.3 truck heads.
So
heavy duty springs, valves, and stuff like that. You know, just a
so truck motor with the LS, what LQ with the LS intake and
some Summit Racing fuel rails. You know, fucking.
And some basic just reliability stuff at that point.
Dude,
yeah.
yeah.
Now what's this front bumper? Because I don't think I've ever seen it before.
Gentleman. Well, I think it's like a knockoff because when I totaled it, I just got another one that quickest one I can get. Called like the Instant Gentleman.
That's awesome. And then Origin or Origin style fenders.
Charge speeds.
Charge speed. Oh, cool.
Yeah, old school charge speeds.
That's rad.
I know.
Yeah.
I couldn't figure it out.
Yeah. This car is really neat. It's already packed up. I think he killed his tires or something. Still got tires left. I don't know. But S14 front end. S13 coupe rear end. So that's like a what, S13.4, whatever they call it. The guy who owns this, I actually bought my other Beams coupe from, so that's kind of neat. I bought it from him and then he used that money to work on this car, so super cool. I'm not gonna open the hood for you, but you can see it a little bit. There's a LS in there. And look, a lot of drift cars here, they don't use fancy wheels, but this guy has real works up front. Alright, that's it for today. So, yeah, this was a drift event, Catch My Drift at the Freestyle Music Park. like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Thanks, guys.